All right, that's my old-fashioned caramel dip right on top of my puff pastry. I did heat this up for just about 15 seconds, excuse me. Time flies when you're having fun. And I am just spreading this out right in the center. Now I just have some diced green apples. Now I just cut them up into smaller pieces because I want them to like fit in here, make a great little bite each bite. And I thought that would be easier to eat and consume them and bite into this if they were a little bit smaller, just like Winston. Now I'm gonna put some light brown sugar right here just on top of my apples, just so they get sweetened up a bit too. And it's not just overwhelmingly caramel on one side. They've got a little bit of that sweetness on the top as well. Perfect. Now here I have my apple pie spice, and we're just gonna go ahead. This has everything you want in it. It has cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, a little bit of all of our favorite festive fall spices. And I'm just going ahead and generously using that right on top of these apples and my caramel. Now, because I cut my puff pastry here into just these little small sections, I am just gonna start braiding this beauty and enclosing all that delicious caramel, apple, spice, and sugar inside here. All right, I'm just gonna come in with some butter here. We're gonna give this a nice little butter wash so it bakes up beautifully and golden brown. Y'all, this is gonna be so pretty, so festive, yummy, yummy, yummy for the fall. I love apple pie. It's honestly my favorite kind of pie. And look at, this is such an easy way to make a caramel apple baked good treat. Perfect. I'm gonna pick this up for 1 second. Got my sheet pan here. Look at that. Perfect. All right, I'm turning my oven up to 425 and I'm gonna bake this for just about 15 minutes. All righty, y'all. Look at our beautiful apple caramel braid. Oh my God, doesn't that puff pastry look simply amazing? We've got those delicious apples in there. They're caramel apple pie spice. All I'm gonna do is do a little bit of powdered sugar right on top here. It just makes everything beautiful and festive. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna cut myself a delicious little piece here. Look at that apple, that caramel, that delicious puff pastry. Hey Justine, do you want to take a bite of this?
Yeah.
Oh my, this smells so good.
So good.
So good.
Y'all, you gotta try it.